Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today is the day I'm going to introduce you this brand new device, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro. Oh, yo. Oh, we get all of that highlights here. Oh, look at this. Heat forged aluminum unibody design for exceptionally pro capability, with an A90 Pro vapor cooled liquid fast performance chip, breakthrough battery life, and the ultimate pro camera system, all 48 megapixel rear camera, and the longest zoom ever on an iPhone so far. And we have a new center stage front camera, flexible ways to frame our shot, smarter group service, and so much. And it comes with iOS 26 and Apple Intelligence. Let's start with the unibody enclosure. This makes a strong case for itself. The iPhone 17 Pro and the Max, designed from the inside out to be the most powerful iPhone models ever made. At the core of the new design, there is a heat-forged aluminum unibody enclosure that maximizes the performance, the battery capacity, and the durability. Oh, we have a lot of colors. That is orange, cosmic orange, and of course, silver, or, like in that video, deep blue. The aluminum body optimizes the performance and the battery. Aluminum alloy is remarkably light and has exceptional thermal productivity. And we have a vapor chamber. Deionized water sealed inside moves the heat away from the A90 Pro chip, this allowing for even higher sustained performance. And the ceramic shield protects the back of the iPhone. This makes it 4 times more resistant against cracks. New ceramic shield 2 on the front has 3 times better scratch resistance than before. And we have an immersive Pro display. This is the best ever, 6.3 inches or 6.9 inches on the bigger model. Super Retina XDR display. Brighter, better anti-reflection, and promotion up to 120 Hz. And camera control button, and of course action button is already there. But the big, really cool stuff is the big zoom forward of the camera system. Up to 8 times optical quality zoom and an all 48 megapixel rear camera system. Across the iPhone 17 Pro camera system, we will find innovation that goes to great length. The telephoto features the next generation of that Tetra Prism design and a 56% larger sensor with an equivalent 200mm focal length. The 8 times optical quality zooms makes this the longest iPhone telephoto ever. This offering 16 times total optical zoom range, so it can explore an even wider range of creative choice and add a longer reach to our compositions. And it is like having 8 Pro lenses in our pocket. Super high resolution 24 megapixel photo by default, baby. We have 48 megapixel fusion camera in the main, 48 megapixel fusion ultra wide camera, and a 48 megapixel fusion telephoto camera. Wow, that makes low light photography and night mode much better. And of course, ultra wide, baby, with the latest generation of photographic styles. And we can clean up, we can remove unwanted objects, people, and background distractions from our photos. And the center stage with 80 megapixel front camera. It's a total frame changer because the new front camera gives us flexibility ways to frame our photo and videos and so much more. We tap to expand the field of view and rotate from portrait to landscape without moving our phone. And when friends join the shot, the field of view expands so we can get more franchises in our selfies. We have in center stage photos, dual capture video possibility, ultra stabilization videos, and center stage for video calls. And we have Pro Video, Animal Pro, and it is a whole need again. No agent is needed anymore. From home movies to Hollywood productions, the iPhone 17 Pro is apt to any change, with more Pro video features than ever, like enhanced video stabilization, cinema grade specs, and compatibility with industry standard workflows. The iPhone 17 Pro puts the powerful filmmakers' tools within the reach wherever we need them. We have ProRes RAW. We have Pro Workflows. We have Gen Log and time code supporting. And we have 4K 120 frames Dolby Vision. And the performance, of course, new dimension in power. Whenever we are working with intensive graphic or massive media files, the iPhone offers a blazing fast performance with advanced cooling technology and Apple designed laser welded the vapor chamber works with the aluminum antibody structure to efficiently move the heat away from the A90 Pro chip. This allowing us for even a higher sustained performance. This breakthrough in thermal management is the key to the most powerful iPhone ever created. Of course, because of the core, the A90 Pro chip. The Apple Silicon powering the iPhone 17 Pro delivers the highest iPhone performance ever. This is either for advanced gaming and the most demanding tasks. But of course, there's more. Graphics and speed. Paired with the innovation, thermal design, the GPU and the CPU delivers up to 30% better sustained performance. And we have neural accelerators. With the neural accelerators integrated into each GPU core. The iPhone is more powerful than ever when working with the local AI models. And of course, battery life, all-time high. The new internal design creates significant additional room for the battery capacity, thus giving the iPhone 17 Pro Max the best ever iPhone battery life, and up to 4 more hours per full charge compared to the iPhone 15 Pro. From extended video playback to after hours work, it's always ready for overtime. Up to 33 hours playback on the iPhone 17 Pro. Up to 39 hours playback on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Up to 50% charge in only 20 minutes are possible with a high wattage power adapter. So you see, this here is a nice big device which comes in a nice design and a really nice specs on the market. It comes with iOS 26 with a new look and even more magic with Magic Glass, Liquid Glass, a more vibrant lock screen, and a call screening, and hold assist and pause in messages and more. And of course we can use visual intelligence because Apple Intelligence effortlessly helps every day. We have live translation automatically if we need it. We can make a clean app. We remove unwanted distractions. We have Genmoji and writing tools. All this comes together with our device and more. We have an eSIM system, and built-in embedded SIM provides seamless connectivity, flexibility, convenience, and better security without the need for a physical SIM card. That's perfect for traveling. And messages via satellite, or roadside assistance via satellite, or emergency SOS via satellite, and crash detection and Find My. Securely share your location with friends and family. And you see, I think this update this year, that's good. That's worth, of course, 100%. That's all is the nice device here, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro. That's the flagship of this year launch of Apple Silicon and Apple products. Oh yeah.
Let's have a basic functionality or how to use the iPhone Pro. It is some pro model because we have 3 pro camera systems and a nice design, as you can see. On the left side we have volume up, volume down, and here is the special button. We can edit as we like. Then on the right side we have the power button to switch on and off the device, and here is the camera button. Then of course this is the home screen. The home screen, there you can see a lot of apps. Apps are applications, so this means you can push on it and use them. For example, you can use here the camera. You can use here the clock. You can use here maps. You can make a telephone call because this is a smartphone over there. You can browse on the internet. You can make a message and iTunes. To navigate to another area, you can use your fingers on the screen and navigate by swiping. Then you can push and hold to edit this area, for example, or edit the size or edit the home screen. Now we can grab them and sort them like we prefer this. We can make a folder if we get this over another app. To switch that folder off, we can grab the app and get it to another location. Then there is a minus. This minus means we can delete the app. Now the app is deleted from that phone. You can already, of course, get them back out of the App Store. Then we can push again and remove it from the home screen. Then you will find it later. To find this again, we swipe to the right side, the app library. And then, of course, you will see the app is already here on our app library. To open an app, push on it and use it, like fitness, for example, or the Apple Watch, or the Watch app, and so on, or iTunes, and so on. To get back on the screen, and while you have enabled this, that means an app, you can grab with your fingers at the bottom, swipe up, just done. And if you swipe up and hold it in the center, then you can switch to these apps which are running in the background. And this, of course, can shut down by swipe them to the upper position. Now, the apps are not deleted. They're already there, but they're not running in the background. Go to the left side and you see a lot of other stuff here. This is the same, push on it and you can make the widgets bigger, for example. Or you can move the widgets where you like them. You can choose another size, or here you can grab them, get them more bigger, or delete them to remove them. Done. If you go in the center down, this will be to the lock screen and notification center. On the right edge corner, you will get here some fast access stuff like flight mode, volume app, brightness, iTunes, and Wi-Fi settings. And of course, you have another thing. This means if you are operating something, you can see, for example, the camera, and then you can use the styles and set up them later, for example. And then you can here navigate through the app, through the camera system, make video and of course photos. Swipe to another area, that means to the selfie cam and so on. Go up to get back in the screen. So easy to control your iOS system. It is really. Of course, there are a lot of other stuff what you are going to perform with your Apple iPhone 17 Pro. But this is the basic behind that phone. I think this is enough for now. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Nice phone, eh? Isn't it? Yes, it is.